Hello class, welcome to online session of computer. This is Mansi Mukherjee ma'am, here to remind you again. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Let's start.
Let's start class 7th. Advantages of AI. I just hope you're enjoying artificial intelligence topic, because from your comments I can analyze कि some of you are asking me कि ma'am we will make AI based applications. Of course, once we have the ground knowledge how it work, on what principle it's work, we can make it, right? So let's understand what are the advantages of AI. Those who are having ideas regarding the apps, please share in the comment box. Now let's discuss advantages of AI over human. First is error reduction, difficult exploration, daily application, digital assistant, no breaks, increase work efficiency, reduce cost of training and operations. Now in the next slide we will explore each one of the advantage in detail. Incredible precision, accuracy and speed. Yes, AI based machines are having high speed, they are very accurate and they are very precise, means to the point. Human doctors can treat a patient in 10 minutes, right? To diagnose it properly it will take 10 minutes, but AI at the same time can diagnose several patients. Secondly, AI machines can be successfully implemented in the area of environment where implementing a human can be life-threatening, like space engineering, mining. In 2019 we have sent Chandrayaan 2, right? That machine rover, that machine was completely artificial intelligent. In that hostile environment, the environment which we don't know, we cannot predict, we can send the machines. It will work more efficiently than a human, right? AI machines don't get tired, bored, neither they want a break. Suppose unless and until there is any technical failure. Okay, suppose there is a robot and you have designed that robot to work a particular task. It will keep on doing that task unless and until any technical issues are there. They can predict what a user will type, ask, search and can do. The best example of this is Google Assistant. In Google, suppose you type a letter, it automatically start giving suggestions, right? So how this is possible? This is possible because of artificial intelligence. Some artificial intelligence technology is based on that Google, so that it giving suggestions, right? Otherwise it's not possible for any machine to give suggestions like this. AI system can manage a large volume of data. A large computation work it can do, which is otherwise tedious for traditional computers and humans, right? One more thing I would like to discuss, since I am talking about doctors. Today the scenario is what? It would be have a different scenario, I feel, if we have a artificially intelligent assistants of doctors, right? Corona is very communicable, highly infectious disease, and doctors are risking their life in treating the patients, isn't it? So if in place of doctor we would have a robot who can treat this kind of infectious disease, then we can save not only our doctors but from such a dangerous situation, but the patients also. So I think AI has so much of advantage, and day by day it is improving, and that day is not very far from us where we can have real life applications of such a technology which we are using today's. It will have remarkable revolution in the field of medical science, education, and so many other sectors. So now let's have a virtual tour. In this phase, it's not possible to physically visit any place, and in summer vacations also you must not have visited. Today I would show you a Yellow House restaurant where robots are serving like waiters do. Let's go. Let's have a look.
Welcome to the Yellow House.
See, this is a scene of Yellow House restaurant where the Ruby robot, this robot name is Ruby. She's acting as a waiter serving the food to the customer. How interesting, how different, na? So I hope you are enjoying this video, how the Ruby robot is serving in this restaurant. Dear class 7th, I hope you have enjoyed this virtual tour to Jaipur, where Yellow House Robot Restaurant means this restaurant theme is robot. Robot are serving as a waiter over there, and this shows how AI based technology are becoming the part of day-to-day life, and people are really enjoying it and accepting this. So these are so many advantages of AI. If you know any other advantage, please let me know through comment box, and any other ideas. In the next session we will discuss some disadvantage. Till then, take care. Thank you and have a nice day.